Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How do we solve this problem? We have f of xy equals f of x over y. Again, f of 3 plus f of 9 equals 8. What is f of 27? Pause this video and give it a try. And let's consider a step-by-step solution to this problem. First is, I'm going to start with substituting f of 3 with a variable. And here we have f of 3. Suppose I change it to t. And from this f of 3, we can get f of 9. So since we have f of 3 equals to t, then let's come back to the original questions. Since we have f of xy equals f of x over y. If I let x equals to y, then equals to 3. And with these two we get f of 9. So therefore we have f of 3 multiplied by 3, since it is product, equals f of 3 divided by 3. But f of 3 here is given as t, then over 3. So we have f of 9 equals t divided by 3. So we have to call this one equation 1. And then, after getting this, we have to know what is the value of t. And to get the value of t, we recall from the second line of the given questions, which is f of 3 plus f of 9 equals 8. Since we have f of 3 from the initial value, which is has been let to t, and we have f of 9 as t divided by 2. Therefore, we are going to replace this with t plus, then f of 9 becomes t over 3, then equals 8. So let's find the LCM. T plus t over 3 gives us 4t divided by 3, then equals 8 over 1. And to get the value of t, we have to cross multiply. So if you multiply this 3 by 8, we have 4t equals 3 multiplied by 8, and we have 4t equals 24. So the value of t here is given as 6. So since we have t equals to 6, we then have to get f of 3 back. So therefore we have f of 3 which equals to t, then equals 6. So let's find f of 27. To find f of 27, we are going to consider from f of xy. And since f of xy equals f of x over y, we know the value of f of 9 is given as, we have f of 9 as well, and we also have f of 3. So we have to distribute this, since 27 equals 9 multiplied by 3. So we choose wisely between x and y. So we have f of, if I let x here to be equals 9, then I let y equals 3. So therefore we have 9 multiplied by 3 equals f of 9 divided by 3. And f of 9 is given as t divided by, we have t divided by 2, which is f of 9. So t divided by 3, then divided by 3. So we have f of 27 equals, the whole of this becomes t divided by 9, and the value of t is 6 over 9. So 2 here, 3 here, that is 2, and 3 here, that is 3. So therefore, for f of 27, so this equals 2 over 3. So this is how to solve this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.